The new Yaris Cross provides safer and easier driving with the latest safety and driver assistance systems, a completely digital user experience, and details that enrich its modern urban style. Its introduction completes a complete overhaul of Toyota's small car range, which includes the new Aygo X and Yaris hatchback. It also forms part of the powerful new Yaris family, alongside the hatchback and pure performance GR Yaris. Access to information, connectivity, and entertainment have been transformed by the introduction of an entirely new digital user experience. This includes both a driver display that can be configured and customized to suit the driver's preference, and a multimedia system that is more powerful, more responsive, and offers a wider range of functions. The screens are class-leading in size, a 12.3-inch driver's combimeter, 7 inches in the icon and design grade, and a 10.5-inch multimedia touchscreen, 9 inches for the icon. The 12.3-inch combimeter features sharply defined dials, information and graphics for good visibility in all light levels. The driver can customize the display's appearance to suit his or her mood or type of trip, with 4 style options: smart, casual, sporty, and rugged. The 7-inch version is standard on icon and design grades, available on 12.3-inch Excel, GR Sport and Premier Edition models. The Toyota Smart Connect multimedia system is designed for easy and intuitive use, responding faster to inputs thanks to increased computing power. Its functions include cloud-based navigation as standard, an always-connected system that accesses up-to-date information about routes, traffic and delays for better trip planning. The system features an advanced, more responsive voice recognition system and a built-in "Hey Toyota" voice agent that can recognize natural, spoken language and requests. For example, say, "Hey Toyota, I'm cold," and the system will automatically raise the climate control temperature. Easy connectivity is designed with wireless smartphone integration for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As with Toyota Safety Sense systems, multimedia upgrades and new functions can be seamlessly installed wirelessly. The Yaris Cross joins the new Yaris hatchback, offering owners the convenience and security of a smart digital key. Connected to the MyToyota app, this feature allows up to 5 users to access the vehicle using their smartphones. The digital key can be used to lock, unlock, and start the vehicle without having to remove the phone from the user's bag or pocket. The switch is compatible with Apple and Android devices and comes standard on the Premier Edition. The MyToyota app also provides other useful functions, such as remote locking/unlocking, pre-trip activation of climate control, and activation of hazard lights to help locate the vehicle in a busy parking lot, for example. Toyota set out to make the current generation Yaris hatchback the safest small car in the world, packing it with a wealth of active and passive safety measures and features that can take much of the familiar stress out of driving. Yaris Cross also benefited from the same comprehensive package. Advanced features that make the car safer and easier to drive and park have been improved and expanded, including the introduction of the latest generation of Toyota Safety Sense systems. These features, which are usually extra-cost options or not available in other BSUV models, are offered as standard across the entire Yaris Cross product range. The Yaris Cross joins its Yaris hatchback sibling, offering a second, more powerful hybrid electric powertrain. The use of 5th-generation Toyota hybrid technology increases the model's appeal for new B-segment customers who want to reduce vehicle size without sacrificing performance. The hybrid electric powertrain is the #1 deciding factor for people choosing to purchase a Yaris Cross. With a 100% hybrid lineup and 2 unique powertrain options in its class, customers now have more options than ever to suit their needs. The 1.5-liter full hybrid electric system features a new transaxle with a larger and more powerful electric motor generator, MG1. This, together with adjustments to the power control unit, PCU, delivers a 14% increase in total system output from 114 brake horsepower per 85 kilowatts to 130 brake horsepower per 9 kilowatts. At the same time, the torque of the MG2 engine has been increased across the entire rev band, with the maximum value increased by 30% from 141 Nm to 185 Nm.